So, this is what we're going to do. Got a little bit of a cold, so I apologize if I don't sound the best. But, on this business trip, iPadOS 13 has magically appeared on my machine after a very long download. And I'm going to turn it on for the very first time. My first attempt to turn it on, I had downloaded the software, left, went to dinner, came back, and when I tried to log in, it actually it crashed. Kind of weird. I'm not going to complain. I know it's a new operating system. It may be a little on the buggy side. In my videos that you have not seen, because that video was delayed. Ooh, come on. Turn on, buddy. There we go. There is a video that was created about a month ago or something like that. And that video is basically me talking about this very special adapter. This adapter is special because, well, it's the camera adapter. And what it does is it gives you, your iPod, iPad, and iPhone user the ability to connect to a USB 3.0 device. And it does it by having a power supply, because you're going to need a power supply, and then you connect in whatever the USB device is. I know for a fact that this is a thumb drive, some people call them flash drives, that has one PDF on it. And I want to know if I can go in there and look at this PDF with this brand spanking new operating system. That is ready for me to turn on. Yes, 8:53 p.m. I'm going to put in my password here, which is 0000. So, first thing we see, update is completed. I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi in the hotel. I'm going to hope that I don't have to do anything extra here. And when I say extra, I mean I shouldn't have to do any downloads or anything, because I basically just upgraded my operating system. I didn't erase this. I just kept going. Okay, Apple Pay. I am not going to set up Apple Pay. I'm not one of those guys that like to do that kind of thing. Appearance. Ooh. I still like the light zone. I'm not into the dark zone. It's not because I'm mentally messed up because of the dark zone in the Division. It's because I just like the light zone, okay? I like being in the light. I'm not a vampire. And, oh, look at that. Welcome to iPad. And there it is. That's all my old junk. Now, probably the first thing, I'm not going to click on this because I don't want you to see my stuff. Yeah, I'm going to click on it anyway. There we go. Not too much in there. But the first thing it's going to tell me is it wants me to finish my settings, and more than likely, because I did see like a little one on there, it wants me to back this up. I haven't backed up anything yet. So let's see how. Ooh, first thing I noticed right off the bat. First thing I noticed right off the bat is the icons are a little bit smaller, give me a lot more real estate. Remember, this is a 12.9 inch monitor here. I mean, our screen. This is pretty flipping big. That's nice. So, what do we get when you do this here? That looks the same. Is there something over here? Oh, this is the new cute thingy. Wait, I got a pencil around here somewhere. There we go. Just pop a pencil in there for a second. It should see it. And all of a sudden, there we go. 37%. Wow, I need to charge this thing some more. And this is not going to be... The Cracker Jacks is not supposed to be in this video, so... there we go. Get that out of here. Let's see here. I like what I see so far. It's giving me a little bit more real estate. It's not big, cheesy icons like it was before. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test this adapter. The theory behind this adapter is you plug this bad boy in, and you know what? I'm going to use the other cable. You plug this bad boy in, give it some power, plug this in. This is going to be a thumb drive with supposedly one PDF on it. I don't need my phone right now. Once I plug this thing, oh, now I know why I did that. Because you can't really see it. Because it's white on white. You can't really see white on white that well. And I'm just going to plug this right in here. That's the wrong hole. Not bad. There we go. Just pop that right in there. And instantly, it doesn't like it. Requires too much power. Okay, so that's really interesting. That's very interesting. I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna try it one more time. Nope, it seriously does not like that. Okay. Oh, I know why. It doesn't like it because this doesn't have its own power supply. Both items need to have a power supply. Okay, I got an idea. I've got an idea. That's how my brain works. There it is. There it is. Trust. Okay, so I got something over here. This is basically saying trust this computer. Note that it's saying this computer. I'm going to tell it to trust it. There we go. Password is in there. Once I put the password in, these two guys should start talking to each other. I'm going to come over here to import. A new icon actually opened up right here called import. Looks like a little camera. Once I tap it, oh my God, I have access to the library of photos that's on this machine right here. Oh, one of my favorite photos. I am going to import this one here. So I just selected my man Nixon. You know, Nixon, the president who quit, who was going to get impeached, and he said, nah, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to walk away. Well, did he get impeached? Yeah, he was impeached. Well, it doesn't matter. Nixon's gone. Reminds you of anyone? Yeah. Anyway, I have selected that one of Nixon, and I'm going to import just that one image. And there's an import selected, and I'm going to keep it on there. There was a little pop-up that said, hey, do you want to keep it over here, that same photo over there? Like, yeah, why not? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this now. Once I disconnect it, it automatically goes back to the original photos. So I'm going to go to albums, I'm going to click on recent, and there it is right there at the very bottom. My man Nixon bowling in the Truman's bowling alley. That's awesome. That's also a reference to Tom Clancy's Division, because we turned the bowling alley into a shooting range. This video may not have a lot of purpose, but this video does show one thing. It shows that Nixon really could bowl. It also shows that you can have an iPhone talk to an iPad via this cable and send stuff directly to it. It opens up some channels that are very unique. I tried to do this exact same thing a couple months ago. It was not happening. It wasn't happening properly. This cable is brand new. I'll give you the description of this cable down here. I mean, at the bottom of this here thing, because you really need to know more about this cable. This is probably a game changer. It'll give you the ability to plug in anything that is powered and USB 3.0 to connect to the iPad. So that's all I wanted to show today. Is I finally downloaded the iOS. Finally got a good use out of this cable I've been hoarding for like a month. And that's about it. Yeah. So, if you don't mind, I've got a couple things that I got to do in Procreate here. It's one of my favorite applications. I use it a lot. This is some brainstorming here. A lot of brainstorming. There we go. And click over here. Yep. Whole bunch of brainstorming. I got stuff to do. You guys have fun and do whatever thing it is you guys are already doing. Because this guy right here has got some stuff to do. Okay? Later.